T-virus. The T-virus, short for tyrant virus, is the foundation of almost every biohazard in the Resident Evil series. It was developed by the Umbrella Corporation using the Progenitor virus as a base, combined with leech DNA to improve adaptability. Most humans infected with it lose higher brain function and become zombies, while some rare hosts mutate into powerful creatures like lickers or tyrants. What makes the T-virus important is how unpredictable it is, creating a wide range of outcomes depending on the host's body and environment, which is why it became the starting point for nearly all future experiments. What makes the T-virus important is how unpredictable it is, creating a wide range of outcomes depending on the host's body and environment, which is why it became the starting point for nearly all future experiments. Over time, Umbrella refined it into multiple strains to improve control and combat effectiveness. G-virus. The G-virus was created by Dr. William Birkin as a more advanced evolution of the T-virus. Unlike its predecessor, it does not simply infect and degrade the host, but instead forces rapid and extreme mutation. Infected subjects continuously evolve, often growing new limbs, eyes, and organs as the virus tries to adapt and survive. It spreads through implantation rather than airborne infection, making it more controlled but far more dangerous in direct contact. Its importance lies in its focus on forced evolution, pushing the idea of bioweapons beyond simple infection into something uncontrollable and constantly changing. The host often becomes less human with each stage, losing stability as the mutation progresses. This constant evolution makes it nearly impossible to stop once it reaches an advanced form. T-Veronica virus. The T-Veronica virus was developed by the Ashford family as part of their attempt to surpass Umbrella's original research. It combines the progenitor virus with genes from a queen ant, giving infected hosts unusual control over their mutations. Some individuals can retain intelligence and even command other infected creatures, which sets it apart from the mindless nature of most T-virus victims. This virus matters because it shows that infection does not always mean loss of control, introducing the idea of intelligent bioweapons. It also highlights the role of genetics, as only certain individuals can fully benefit from its effects. In the wrong host, it can still lead to instability and dangerous transformations. Las Plagas. Las Plagas is not a virus but a parasite, discovered in a remote region of Spain. Once inside a host, it attaches to the nervous system and allows external control while keeping the host fully conscious. Infected individuals can follow orders, use tools, and even coordinate attacks, making them far more organized than traditional zombies. Its significance comes from shifting the series away from pure viral outbreaks into parasitic control, showing a different kind of threat that blends intelligence with infection. Some variants of the parasite grant enhanced strength or unique physical abilities. Its ability to create obedient hosts makes it especially valuable for controlled operations. Uroboros virus. The Uroboros virus was designed by Albert Wesker as a way to force human evolution on a global scale. It is derived from the progenitor virus, but engineered to rapidly test whether a host is worthy. Most people cannot handle it and are consumed by black, tendril-like masses, while rare individuals can achieve enhanced abilities. The virus spreads quickly and aggressively, making it ideal for large-scale outbreaks. Its role in the series highlights the theme of selective evolution, where only a few are meant to survive the transformation. The visual mutations it causes are among the most extreme in the series. It represents a shift toward global-scale bioterror, rather than isolated incidents. C-virus. The C-virus was developed by combining elements of the T-Veronica virus and the G-virus, creating one of the most versatile infections in the series. It can spread through gas, injections, or direct contact, and its effects vary widely depending on how it is used. Some infected become zombie-like creatures, while others transform into complex bioweapons with unique abilities. Its flexibility makes it especially dangerous, as it can be tailored for different types of attacks, from mass infection to targeted mutation. It was also designed for modern warfare, making it easier to deploy in urban environments. This adaptability makes it one of the most practical and dangerous viruses ever created. A virus. The A virus, also known as the abyss virus, was created for use in marine environments. It thrives in water and causes infected hosts to mutate into sea-based creatures with enhanced swimming abilities and distorted bodies. Unlike many other viruses, it is adapted to underwater survival, making it a unique threat in isolated locations like ships or ocean facilities. Its importance lies in expanding the idea of bioweapons beyond land, showing how infection can be tailored to specific environments. It also demonstrates how limited spaces can amplify danger when escape is difficult. Encounters with it often feel more claustrophobic and unpredictable. Mold. The mold is a fungal organism rather than a traditional virus, introduced later in the series. It infects hosts by spreading through spores and can completely take over the body, often preserving the appearance of the person while controlling them from within. Some individuals can even regenerate or reshape their bodies due to its influence. What makes the mold different is its almost hive-like nature, connecting infected individuals through a shared consciousness. It represents a shift toward biological horror that feels more organic and less mechanical than earlier experiments. The infection can also create entirely new life forms rather than just mutate existing ones. Its slow, creeping spread adds a different kind of tension compared to fast outbreaks. Progenitor virus. The progenitor virus is the origin of nearly all other viruses in the series. It was discovered in ancient flowers in Africa and became the foundation for Umbrella's research. On its own, it is extremely unstable, often killing hosts instantly, but it holds the key to unlocking genetic potential. Every major virus that followed was an attempt to refine and control its power. Its importance cannot be overstated, as it is the root from which the entire Resident Evil bioweapon program grew. Without it, none of the later viruses would exist. It remains one of the most mysterious and least understood elements in the series.